Byfield and this is Sagarika Babu. This video is about circulatory system. Okay, our circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels. Okay, heart. It is present between two lungs. Okay, it is present in between two lungs inside the thoracic chamber. It is outerly covered by a membrane called pericardium, and your internal structure of your heart looks like this. Okay, it has four chambers in the internal part: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. These two are atria and these two are ventricles. Fine. And okay, the V-shaped structure, can you see here? They are nothing but valves. Valves are nothing but they prevent the backflow of the blood. Okay, the valve that is present in right side of the heart is tricuspid valve. Okay, right side tricuspid valve. Left side the valve is called bicuspid valve or mitral valve. Okay, and there are two more valves are there. One is aortic valve and another one is pulmonary valve. Okay, these are the four valves that is present in your heart. Next comes blood. In your blood you have two types of blood: oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood. Okay, oxygenated blood means it contains oxygen, which is pure blood, and deoxygenated means it cannot contains the oxygen. Okay, without oxygen, that is impure blood. The blue color part here resembles the deoxygenated blood and the red color part is the oxygenated blood. Next, blood vessel. Blood vessel is a vessel that carries blood. In your body, we have three types of blood vessels: A, V, C. Arteries, veins, capillaries. Okay, arteries. Arteries is a blood vessel that carry oxygenated blood. Veins is a blood vessel that carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, so all arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. To remember this, let's remember a mnemonic called all over. What does all over means? Your arteries, they supply oxygenated blood to throughout your body, right? So it supplies all over your body. So all over. A for arteries, O for oxygenated blood. Just remember this and automatically remember veins is for deoxygenated blood. Okay, all over. Oxygenated blood is for arteries, deoxygenated blood is for veins. Fine. Now let's learn the blood circulation. Okay, in your body, deoxygenated blood are collected by veins and comes and it reaches the heart. Fine. And lower part of your body, okay, lower part of your body, the deoxygenated blood are connected through inferior vena cava. Okay, the part here is inferior vena cava and this is superior vena cava. These two are nothing but veins. Okay, these two are the blood vessels that carries the deoxygenated blood and reaches the right atrium. Okay, inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body. Superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body. So these two blood vessels collects the deoxygenated blood throughout your body and it returns to the right atrium. In right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, the blood goes to right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood goes to pulmonary trunk. This is pulmonary trunk, and here one valve is present called pulmonary valve. I told you before, right? There are four types of valves. In that, pulmonary valve is present in here. From the blood in the right ventricle, the blood goes to pulmonary trunk. This pulmonary trunk divides into two pulmonary arteries. Okay, right pulmonary artery, left pulmonary artery. So what happens here means, now the blood is deoxygenated. We need to purify that. So purification occurs in lungs. Okay, your lung plays a main role in purifying your blood. So this right and left pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood and it goes to lungs. The right pulmonary artery goes to right lung, left pulmonary artery goes to left lung. After purification, the oxygenated blood comes to left atrium through pulmonary veins. Okay, through pulmonary veins, the oxygenated blood comes to left atrium and through bicuspid valve, it reaches the left ventricle. And from the left ventricle, through aortic valve, it goes to aorta. Okay, aortic valve is present here and from here, through the aortic valve, the blood goes to aorta. Okay, from the aorta, your oxygenated blood supplies all over your body. Okay, from the aorta, it goes to arterioles. Arterioles are nothing but they are small arteries. Okay, from the arterioles it leads capillaries. Okay, capillaries is a third type of blood vessel. It is nothing but a tiny network of blood vessel. Okay, So from the arterioles it reaches the capillaries. From the capillaries the systemic arteries will supply all over your body and deoxygenated blood reaches the capillaries. From the capillaries again venules, then from the venules veins, and all the veins again carries the deoxygenated blood and it comes to right atrium. So this circle continues. Okay, so this is how your blood circulation will be, and this is the flow chart of it. Fine. Let's revise your blood circulation again. Okay, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. From the deoxygenated blood from these two veins it reaches right atrium. Through tricuspid valve it reaches right ventricle. Through pulmonary valve it reaches pulmonary artery. From that it goes to lungs. Then oxygenated blood comes through pulmonary veins. Then it reaches left atrium. Then through bicuspid valve it reaches the left ventricle. Then through aortic valve it reaches aorta. From aorta arterioles, capillaries, veins, venules and veins. And veins again forms superior and inferior vena cava. Again the circle continues. Okay. So I was saying that arteries carry oxygenated blood, but there is an exception, that is pulmonary artery. Here the pulmonary artery is the exception that carries deoxygenated blood, and veins, all veins are carry deoxygenated blood, right? But except pulmonary veins. Here these are the pulmonary veins that carry oxygenated blood. So this is an exception. Okay, arteries carry oxygenated blood all over. Remember this mnemonic. Except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Okay, so this is your blood circulation. If you find useful, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Okay, thanks for watching.